It is hot out there today.
It was hot. We didn't quite hit 90, but with the humidity, it felt like the low 90s. So
Hot and nasty.
it's not going away until Sunday.
All right.
A cold front is still coming. We'll talk about that in a second. But yes, it was hot. We've had a few spotty showers, not much though, and certainly not much to help cool things down. 87 degrees our current temperature, dew points in the 70s. So yes, that heat index in the 90s. Even our high today did not quite get up to 90, 89 degrees. Might as well have been 90. 75 was our morning low, and we saw 70s on the North Shore earlier this morning. So it was a very more warm start to the day as the dew points have been a bit higher. A lot of sunshine, primarily just some fair weather cumulus, but at times you saw a few larger clouds, and that was some coastal showers that developed along a little sea breeze that kind of started to move inland during the course of the afternoon, and daytime heating was able to get a few isolated showers to get going, and we have a few showers down around the Thibodeau-Houma area at the moment, and we had a couple that were down south of the city earlier. These have really been very spotty and don't last for very long, may help to cool the temperature down basically in your neighborhood if you're underneath one of those. Now, may still have a few isolated showers over the next couple of hours, and then for the most part, we will be quiet tonight. Now, what's interesting is there is a cluster of storms that are up to our north that the models are indicating will be moving south overnight tonight. Now, the models differing as to whether or not that line holds together early tomorrow morning, because based on our high resolution model, any rainfall early tomorrow morning will primarily stay off to our west and we will be dry. Another model I'll show you in a second has some showers moving through during the early morning hours. It more or less is going to be a wait and see if we have that shower activity, but with a weak boundary in place, we might also have a few more showers bubble up during the day tomorrow. I'm still keeping this at around 20% only because I'm not totally convinced of those really getting going during the day tomorrow. We're still under the influences of high pressure, and on with that line of storms moving through, kind of on par with that expectation. The Storm Prediction Center has placed a low end risk tomorrow of some severe weather as that line pushes on through. However, notice much of our area not included, really just a large portion, but a portion of the North Shore. Temperatures outside right now, we're in the upper 80s, 90 degrees right now at Bogalusa, and dew points in the 70s. So it is a hot and humid day, but we've been talking about we will see a cold front move in for the end of the weekend, and good news for Memorial Day itself. Ridge of high pressure is still very much dominant across much of the south central United States. However, there are still some storms kind of developing along the periphery of that. Now, we've been talking about that cold front. What's going to happen is an upper trough is going to start to kind of erode the high away, and that may open us up for these little disturbances to move in, which is why we could see some storms off to our west tomorrow. And again on Saturday, some scattered showers and thunderstorms with the front. But as this trough moves on through, cooler but milder and drier air will arrive for Sunday and Monday, and a pretty significant drop in temperatures, especially considering upper 80s and lower 90s where we have been this week. We'll see more mid 80s with scattered showers on Saturday, and then lower 80s by Sunday, and still very nice on Monday. So here are the storms, and again, this is all in association with the upper trough and our approaching cold front. But these storms will likely kind of develop and move out ahead of the front. This model has a little bit more well, actually now it's updated and it does not. Just that's why I'm kind of downplaying our rain chances for tomorrow morning, but may have a few more during the afternoon, 20 to maybe at 30% best for the afternoon hours on Friday. Then another chance for some scattered showers and storms with the approaching front, although rain coverage has kind of been decreasing based on the latest model runs, but certainly a more pleasant feel to the day as we get late Saturday, but more so into Sunday and even Memorial Day itself, although high temperatures will be a few degrees warmer, still relatively low humidity. Then for the start, June 1st, the start of hurricane season, tropics are quiet, but we will be warmer and more humid with highs into the upper 80s, and may start to see some more scattered thunderstorms toward the end of next week.
All right, Chris, well, on the tropics note, Chris and our team of local